Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Tirupati location. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for project assistant from IISER Tirupati, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research Tirupati. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 rupees per month. For this job position, only one vacancy is available. Freshers can be able to apply for this job position. Education qualification will be BSc. Last date to apply for this job position is 15th February 2021. You can check in this website link about the selection procedure and how to apply for this job position and get more detailed information about this job position. Next, there are openings from Siddhartha Tiles and Sanitary Private Limited. They are hiring for executives for accounts. It is located in Tirupati location. They are offering a salary for this position is 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. Data entry in Tally .erp9 or Prime for all showroom level day to day. Transactions.tally.erp9 or Prime basic knowledge. MS Office, mainly Word and Excel. Good communication is needed. Proactive and team play attitude is required for this job position. Please follow these instructions. These are the key skills needed for this job position. Interested candidates, you can approach them using this mobile number, that is 7331154620. Next, there is a job opening for finance executive. It is for female candidates from Batfeed Electrical Solutions Private Limited. It is located in Tirupati location, Andhra Pradesh. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. These are the responsibilities needed for this job position. Please check with the job description provided here. And interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 8686865677. Next, there is a job opening for field sales officer from PMJ Gems and Jewelers. It is located in Tirupati location. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. And for this job position, job description will be presentable person with local jewelry market experience and market analysis or trend and desire for success would be great asset to the role. And this is the job description. Please check with this ones. And these are the expectations for this position. Please go through it once. Interested candidates, you can contact with this given phone number, that is 7702333052. Next, there is a job opening for sales executive from Siddhartha Tiles and Sanitary Private Limited. It is located in Tirupati location. They are going to offer a salary range between 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. They need to have good customer interaction skills, and candidates should have positive attitude and ability to learn faster, experience in sales and marketing, knowledge in tiles, faucets, sanitary and related products. These are the skills needed for this job position. Please go through it once. And interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 98490411051. Next, there is a job opening for Patient Relation Officer PRO from Dr. Positive Health Sciences Private Limited. It is located in Tirupati location. They mentioned here no field work. They are going to offer a salary range for this position is 1,50,000 to 2,40,000 rupees per year. And for this job position, qualification will be any degree or PG candidates. Experience will be minimum 1 year in healthcare industry. They are going to provide some extra benefits, that is paid training and attractive incentives. Please check with this, and you have to read all the responsibilities needed for this job portion. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 7337550168. Next, there is a job opening for lab technician from Balaji Diagnostics. It is located in Tirupati location. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month. And these are the job responsibilities and the skills needed for this job position. Please go through it once. For further details, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9550440505. Next, there is a job opening for senior accountant. For this job opening, minimum 6 to 8 years of experience is needed. Education qualification will be BCom, and plus Tally knowledge is also required for this job position. Interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9632268686. For this job position, salary will be 20,000 rupees. We have provided here the address details and contact number. Please interested candidates, so you can approach using this given address details. There are job openings for receptionist and manager to work in Hotel Spring Hill, Tiruchanur Circle. It is located in Tirupati location. For receptionist position, it is for both males and female candidates. For these two positions, any degree candidates are required with good communication skills is must. So interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9107785555. Next, there are several openings from Vardhaman College of Engineering Autonomous affiliated to JNTUH. So in this college there are openings for professors or associate professors or assistant professors in the respective streams, that is computer science and engineering, information technology, and CSE in artificial intelligence and machine learning. For these positions, qualification and experience and pay scales as per AICTE. So candidates with PhD degree will be preferred for this position. Last date to apply for this position is 9th February 2021. So interested candidates, you can visit this website link provided here and get more detailed information about these job positions. Next, there are openings for higher English teachers. So the address details are provided here. Interested candidates for this position, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. First one 79815945222. Second one 94926719909. Next, ASR Junior College is hiring for teaching staff to teach subjects for physics and botany subjects, and it is located in Pachikapallam location. So interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9502238828. Next, there are openings from Sri Mahalakshmi Engineering Company. They are hiring for sales representatives to work in their company. So they have provided here the address details and the contact number. For this job position, education qualification will be inter or degree. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 98490144954. Next, there are vacancies from Sri Vijnana Sudha High School. It is located in Tirupati location. They are hiring for the teachers for LKG, UKG and 1st to 5th classes, and they need a Hindi teacher for high school. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. They have provided here the two contact numbers. First one 9492521 350. Second one 94405 68040. Next, there are openings for teachers from Sri Ram High School, Saptagiri Nagar, Tirupati. They have provided here the contact number, and they are hiring for teachers for biology, physics, physical science for 7th to 10th classes. So for further details you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9966484158. There are some job openings for sales executives for Rams Atelier Private Limited Company. So for this job positions, education qualification will be degree or MBA. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. They have provided here the two contact numbers. First one 90032 02996. Second one 9848175441. Next, there are job openings for relationship executive. It is for female candidates to work to their showroom, that is Rams Atelier Private Limited. So for these job positions, qualification will be degree or MBA. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 90032 02996. Next, there are openings from St. Paul's English Medium School. It is located in SP Nagar, Tirupati. So they are hiring for teachers to teach classes from 1st to 7th standard. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone numbers. They have provided here two contact numbers. First one 9177499477. Second one 9704907870. Next, there is a job opening for quality chemist for Srija Milk Dairy. For this job position, education qualification will be BSc in chemistry or dairy science or microbiology or food science. These are the education qualifications. And coming to experience, 0 to 2 years of experience in field job, so it is needed. Freshers can also be eligible to apply for this job position. Two-wheeler with license is must for this job position, and they are going to offer a decent salary. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given two phone numbers, or else you can send your resumes to the provided email IDs. The contact numbers are 9133327235. Second one 9133327222. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos.